This is Asher for the Super Trendy Moneymaker channel. I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. So this is my latest update on the $7 done for you system. On the AfterSense marketplace, I got my first payout of $131.57. It's awesome, and this is weekly pay too. And around the same time, got another sale of $46 from a $27 offer. This is all CPA based, cost per click. Per action. And I'm really loving this. And the good thing about this too is that, as soon as you get paid through this, you don't lose these commissions if somebody do a refund. It's all based on action, which is the cool thing about this too, is that, it could be a $9 offer, 10, 15 or whatever, and you get paid something like between $20, $25, $46, probably even $100 as well too. They're all dependent on the offer, and the new offers updated every month with this program. It's AfterSense Marketplace, which I highly recommend. But you definitely want to join it through the $7 system because you get the CPA money rotator of the high converting products where they get sales like this. So you don't have to play any guessing game of which product converts the highest. So you can get all of this stuff within the $7 system, which I've been highly recommending. And you see me making sales if you watch my previous videos. And this is just the latest update when it comes to that. And in addition to that, I got another sale from the $7 offer as well. Now I'm up to $448, and I'm gonna be making getting some payout for this too. This one takes about a month, and it'll be like 2 weeks within that month. So the first one will be like between usually between the first of the month and then the 15th of the month, and the 15th after. So it's like 2 weeks in between. So because I got my commissions a little later, my first pay is gonna be on the 15th, and then the next one is gonna be on May 1st or something like that or so. So like it's gonna be like 2 weeks in between. So 4 weeks in a month, and it's pretty cool. You get to get paid 2 times depending on how much commissions you get on there, as long as you meet the threshold. The threshold, I believe, for this one is $50. Okay, and just to reiterate this again about the one-page funnel 3.0, high converting funnel that is working for so many people, and it's a very simple thing for the complete beginner or even the experienced marketer. So you go to System Overview, just watch the video, follow the directions. It's pretty much that simple, and you just click the next step. And same thing with step 1. So you can see here to get approved. Step 2, as I keep on mentioning to you too, like if you ever sign up to the $7 system, you definitely need to sign up to this as well. It's not a requirement, but it's well worth it with the commissions you see that I'm getting. I'm getting double the commissions. Matter of fact, 5 times the commissions. As you can see here, it's really nuts how I can make $20 out of a $9 sale or $25, and I'll be making those multiple times. And plus, as a bonus, I'll show you the traffic sources I'm using too as well, to make this thing happen. And you can benefit too with my traffic rotator. So that's also a bonus when you sign up to me. Joining my team, and I help you out with this. I do a month worth of traffic, see your results, and once you start to acquire more sales, maybe you can make your own rotator as well too. So I've a couple of other bonuses too that'll help you to get started on like how to brand yourself on Facebook and various other social media platforms. So I have all the training on that one for you. And it's basically a simple process. And there's already traffic built in the system. The one I recommend right now to you is Leads Empower. It is a very cheap one. Starts at $50 if you go to the credit card option. And it's not a monthly fee. It's just like a one-time $50, and I run the traffic for you. So that's pretty much it. This is a quick update, and really excited about this platform, which I'm highly recommend that you join to this, especially as a complete beginner. So without further ado, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the link down below to get access to the one-page funnel so you can benefit like me and also benefit from the cool bonuses that I have. So thanks for watching. Peace.